Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can off message sound on Samsung phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So to off message sound, here you can see setting, just click on setting. When you click on setting, from here you have to search for the sound and vibration. If you don't find, then you can search here on this icon, just click on this icon, then after that from here you can search for the sound and vibration. Okay, so here I search for the sound, then after that and vibration. Okay, so here is the sound and vibration, just click on sound and vibration. After that from here you can see the sound and vibration option, but here there is no option of the ringtone, right? So just click on sound, then after that here cut the end sound, then after that from here you can see notification sound, click on notification sound, then from here click on this notification sound again, then from here you have to click on the first option, silent. Okay, then only your notification sound will be off your message sound. Okay friends, so friends, if you want to on, then here is the many of the options you can turn on from here, and you can control this volume also if you want to control. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.